She was sitting there in one of the corners in one of my NLP trainings. And as I glanced at her, her hands were moving towards her face. She was listening intently, and I knew she would just bite her nails once again. I calmly looked at her and said, "There you go again." She was a little embarrassed. And she said, "Well, I have been trying to get rid of this habit. It's been almost 10 years now. And I just can't stop biting my nails. I don't know what happens. They automatically come to my mouth. I start biting my nails and see how bad my nails have become." I said, "Would you like to change that? We can change it right now." "How?" she asked. And I invited her for one of the NLP interventions in our NLP training. It's called SWISH. Well, this is one of the methods, and I'll explain it briefly, which is I helped her create an image of hers in her mind about how her nails look. And she said, "I feel very underconfident with these bad nails. And everybody sees I'm biting the nails, it feels really underconfident." And she created a picture of that. Then we created a picture of her having beautiful, nice nails. And she being really confident in her meetings, presentations, relationships, and really present. And then we switched them. The picture that she didn't want became smaller and smaller and faded and went away. And the picture she wanted became her default mindset. And that's how it works. After that, we anchored her with that particular state she wanted with that nails. I asked her, "Would you like to have something resourceful instead of what you had that was biting nails?" And she said, "Calm confidence." So we anchored it. And the moment her hand started going up, we asked her to rub these fingers, and a state of calm confidence was developed. And that's how the magic of NLP happens. Swish and then anchoring. There's so many further interventions. A month later, she sent me a picture. It was her with her beautiful nails. And she said, "I feel so confident. It's been over a month. I've not bitten my nails ever again." Some of you might actually be wanting to change your habits. That's where people like to step into our NLP trainings. I'm your NLP trainer, Ashish Sehgal. See you soon.